Some MotoTales here. For the next couple days, we're going to be hanging out in Pisgah National Forest. This is right outside of Brevard, North Carolina. There's 1,000 good roads here, so I'm going to try to ride them all.
Lots of good signs right here. Forest Heritage NC Byway, begin 215 north. Truckers, 9% grade, 15 mile an hour curves, 5,000 foot elevations, next 34 miles. So, let's go do it. So this is the Parkway Road, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end the suspense and tell you that it does cross the Blue Ridge Parkway, like 100 other awesome roads that I've told you about before. Look for roads that cross the Parkway. They're all good. Now it's gathering up. It is supposed to rain today. Now we are starting up the mountain in earnest. You see a few dry spots here and there, but mostly it's wet because we're all underneath these trees, so the sun's not getting to it. Up. That little town that we went through, that's the town of Balsam Grove. Just to kind of help you find it. I mean, it's not a hard place to find, but look at Balsam Grove, that's the road. It goes right through the middle of it. Normally, this road is very clean. Like right now, it's got a lot of stuff on it, but like I said, it stormed pretty hard last night. And you definitely see right there, a lot of stuff got blown out of the trees laying in the road. Oh, I do love mountain road. You get up here, there is a stunning view off to the right. We're not quite there yet. You see my visor? It's covered up in junk. It's because the Scrambler's got that high mount front fender. So it, like, when you go through mud puddles and stuff, if you're going the right speed, it kind of blows it up in front of you, and then the wind blows it back into your face. I left the poverty camper 20 minutes ago. It was perfectly clean. So I might stop and clean it again. Oh, look, Blue Ridge Parkway ahead. All these roads that go up to the Parkway are good roads once they cross the Parkway. So Courthouse Valley Overlook.
All right, so part of your reward for coming up here is that. Now, you have to get off of 215 and get on the Parkway, but, I mean, I'm less than a tenth of a mile away from the intersection. So you jump on the Parkway, find an overlook, and you get there. And it was raining, and now it stopped. So, I'm going to go on. But also, it is starting to rain.
All right, so this says it's going toward Canton. So basically, this road, you see over there, 215 south, 215 north. South that way, north this way. Canton, North Carolina, Rosman, North Carolina. It's not going to be nearly as much fun as the road is wet. It is sprinkling a little bit right now. Got water on my visor. We're not going to be doing no daredevil shit on wet pavement, but it's a very curvy little road. Now, if you come on the weekend during the summer, you're going to see a lot of that. Bicycles. So it's not really raining hard, it's just raining a little bit. Just enough to keep the road wet, basically. Yeah, but it's like this for just a long, long time. You know, basically you've got, it said 20 miles to Canton. All of it is like this, except for about the last 5. So you got a good solid 15 miles of just kick-ass curves and views, an awesome road, and a waterfall. Yeah. Pretty. Oh, we'd be having so much more fun if it hadn't rained. This road is really wet right here. It's not like just a little bit wet, it's very wet. I say that, and of course there's a dry spot. I promised you a waterfall, and I have delivered. Yeah, this is called Sunset Falls is the name of this waterfall. Most of the time you can go right over there and jump down and walk out through there, because it's usually just a little creek. Right now it is dangerous to get over in there, because if you fell in that, it would be a bad day. And I actually have fallen in that waterfall when it was nowhere near this high. And I was trying to put the GoPro down under it so I could see under the water. Fell in, took me about 10 minutes to get out, thought I was going to die. And it wasn't anywhere near this high. Like, it being this high right now, it'd be very dangerous to get in there. Anyway, let's turn around and look at the other side. So I don't need to stay here very long because people can't really see me. You can see the other way. Woo. Yeah. Washed out down through there if you fall in there today. Alright. Stop blocking the road off here. And on a dry day, you could be pretty aggressive on this road and have a very good time. Look at these curves, the way they're laid out right here. Frickin' beautiful is that. Meow. Meow. What a fancy place this is. It's got all that. It's cool. It says private property. Some kind of boat thing over there. A bunch of people out on kayaks, though. Coming down the last little bits of this last little mountain. So I can definitely tell a difference in the temperature. It's much, much warmer here than what it was at the top. See, coming around here is like 276 north-south, 215 and north. So you're just going to follow 215 north, like I've been saying this whole time. So we're going to do 276 south. But that's after lunch. So right now we're just trying to get through this intersection to the Jukebox Junction. Little classic retro-y themed diner. That's pretty solid food. So yeah, Jukebox Junction Soda Shop. Wherever we're at. So 215 north. Rosman.
I guess it's going to be
Woodrow, North Carolina is the official name of this little town. So we don't go all the way to Canton. Good ride, though. That is a suitable place to end the video. This is that part of the video where I say, you know what, you watched the whole thing, you must have liked it a little bit, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the comment button, and let me know stuff. Tell me things. I don't care what you tell me something. Because every time you do that, it gets me one step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing.